The lunar eclipse, also known as Chandragrahan 2025 or the blood moon, is happening on September 7th to 8th, 2025. Here's what you need to know. Superscript 1. Eclipse timing. Start time 8:58 p.m. IST on 7th September. Totality: blood moon phase 11 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 12:22 a.m. Indian Standard Time. End time to 25 a.m. Indian Standard Time on 8th September. Visibility in India. The eclipse will be visible across all parts of India, with the moon appearing high in the sky. Ideal viewing spots include rooftops, terraces, fields, or parks away from city lights. Duration: the totality phase will last 82 minutes, making it one of the most spectacular lunar eclipses of the decade. Best places to watch: major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kochi will have a great view of the eclipse. Mark your calendars for September 7th to 8th and get ready to witness this rare celestial event. Who can watch it? This eclipse will be visible to a large part of the world. Best places: Asia, Australia, Eastern Africa, and the Indian Ocean region. Partly visible: Europe and Western Africa, they will see it during moonrise. Not visible: most of North and South America will miss the total part. Around 85% of the world's people will be able to see this eclipse if the sky is clear. Safe viewing: no glasses needed. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is 100% safe to watch. You do not need any glasses, filters, or equipment. You can see it with your naked eyes, with binoculars, or through a telescope if you want a closer look. In fact, binoculars can make the red shades look even more stunning. Myths and beliefs. Throughout history, people have told many stories about lunar eclipses. Some believed it was a sign of bad luck, others thought demons were swallowing the moon. In India, there are traditions where people avoid eating during an eclipse. But science tells us the truth: a lunar eclipse is simply a natural event caused by Earth's shadow. It is not dangerous, and it has no effect on health or food. Still, for many cultures, eclipses are spiritually important and may be used as a time for prayer or meditation. Scientific importance. Lunar eclipses are not just beautiful, they also help scientists. By studying the light on the moon, scientists learn about Earth's atmosphere. The color of the moon can tell us how much dust or pollution is present. Ancient astronomers used eclipses to understand Earth's shape and size, proving it was round. This September 2025 eclipse belongs to a repeating cycle called ET-Saros 128. It is the 41st eclipse in this series.
Thank for watching my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.